Hello everyone, welcome to Flavors on My Dastagwan. Today I will be sharing with you the recipe of Makhani Sabzi. This is a rich, creamy and a very flavorful mixed vegetable recipe. It is especially favorite with the children. And to make this recipe I have taken around 200 grams of fresh cream, 1 cup of oil, any vegetable oil, 1 small cauliflower which is cut into florets, 1 medium-sized capsicum which is cubed, some mint leaves, some coriander leaves, and a few green chilies. Here I have a pack of 400 grams of mixed veg. I'm going just to be using half of it. That's around 200 grams. This is 6 boiled potatoes, which I'm going to cut into cubes. I'm going to be taking black pepper, crushed black pepper. This is around a teaspoon of crushed black pepper. Crushed black pepper gives in a very nice flavor as opposed to store-bought black pepper. This is around 1 teaspoon of black pepper. With this I'm taking 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of crushed red chili or chili flakes, and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. This is my spice mix ready. Now here I have a block of butter. This is 100 grams. I'm going to be using only half of this in my cooking for today. Now again I take around 6 cloves of garlic and half an inch of ginger. I'm going to crush this with my mortar and pestle. Yes, I love absolutely my mortar and pestle, and this is exactly how this should be. Now in a wok I take around a cup of oil and I'm going to start frying my boiled potatoes. I'm just checking the temperature of the oil, and when it starts to sizzle I'm going to start adding the remaining potatoes. Surely by this time I was really bored of adding one by one, so I put everything in together. I'm going to fry them till they are golden brown. This by frying the potatoes, and especially since the potatoes are boiled, it's like it adds a texture to the potatoes, which is, for the potatoes are anyways cooked. So by frying it, it like kind of creates a texture to that potato, and it's like crunchy, and it tastes really nice. It gives the potato wedges kind of taste, which is like really favorite with the kids. Now I have taken out the excess oil in a separate bowl, which is completely reusable, and in the same pan I'm going to add in the butter with a little oil, because I cannot add the butter directly because butter might burn, so little oil is important there. To which I'm going to add in crushed garlic, and I'm not going to let the butter completely melt down, just half done, and add in the vegetables one by one. Now we have cauliflower and the mixed vegetables, and then in goes capsicum and the spice mix. Just mix it well, and you need to let it cook. Now I'm going to add this. I'm going to add 1 cup of water with this, and I'm going to close the lid and let this cook for around 5 to 6 minutes. Now, of course I will be checking in between to see if it's not sticking to the bottom of the pan. Although this is a non-stick pan, I'm sure it will not stick. But yes, you keep checking here. This is how it will be, and it's done. It's not like overly cooked, it's not mushy, it's not like breaking down. It still holds its form, and it's cooked. So, but let me sauté this, and I'm just waiting for the oil to separate. And I'm going to add in the boiled and fried potatoes here, and mix this well, and add in the greens, which is coriander and mint and my green chilies. This is just before the last step, which is now adding the cream to this. Since this is a thick cream and not liquid, I need to mix this well. This is around 200 grams. The entire tub of cream has gone inside this. Adding cream is something that makes this dish really a favorite with the children. I mean, it's creamy and it's buttery and it's not really hard on your taste buds. The kids really love it. It's not like really pungent with spices. It's medium spiced and with the cream and butter. It makes it so wonderful. This is a really good way to incorporate vegetables in our children's diet. Now here I have, after adding the cream, I had covered the pot and let this cook for another 2 minutes. And this is about done. And this is how it really looks and it's ready. It's absolutely delicious, and I hope you will try this. And do try this and do let me know how you liked it. Thanks for watching, and do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a really good day.